Welcome back. So, I haven't gotten into contact with Jason yet, but I'll start taking a look at some things right away. One of the first things I saw walking around was duct tape. Machine's on charge. So we're going to take a look at the batteries, of course. If possible, it would be nice to aid in the drying and everything else. They should be rinsing this tank out. I know there's some aggressive materials that are in this machine, but at least they're emptying it. That's the good thing. Gasket looks okay all around here. Again, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and see where we're at. Last time I saw that the battery cells were dry. So now, right now we're seeing 100%, but how long that will last, we don't know for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and pause and take a look at the batteries. Okay, so we're at the batteries now, and these are as dry as a bone. It's not the first time I've actually witnessed this. Customer filled them up not too long after I was here, but now they're cooked again. And believe it or not, these are some of the easier batteries to maintain. Actually, the configuration here where it pulls out. So I'm going to wet these down because I know the customer's going to get their own batteries. But let's see how long, the run time's going to be with. It's not going to be much because it's already damaged. And these are F22 batteries. There's the drain hose, of course. Okay, filled up the batteries, and I'm going to suggest that they get some new batteries from their distributor. I did get a traction alarm, and I'm not sure if I can duplicate that, and there is a language barrier. So I'm just going to actually go through, and there's no chemical. Well, this is a solution flow, so I'm going to keep it there. There's no chemical on this unit, so we're going to go ahead and run it in the regular mode and see what kind of develops. Okay, so as soon as I turn it on, it goes down to 80 right away. Again, this is probably the beginning of failure on the batteries, since they haven't been maintaining them. So it looks like we may have some squeaky issues. Oh yeah, that's probably it right now. Initially, but we should be up at 100 for a while. But then again, we're going to have to do another charge cycle. But definitely we got some squeaky quality issues. We're going to check that out. So squeegee should come out after every use to make sure that there's no debris caught up in it. Okay, I pulled the squeegee out and I had to use a pair of channel locks to unscrew it, so they're not taking it off, but this is what I can see inside. We got debris caught up, and of course that affects the water lift, and it's probably time to rotate the blades because they're getting smooth. See, we lost the crisp edge, so we're gonna have to flip them both over. So I'll do that as a courtesy. Okay, I powered this back on. We're getting the AL17, so I'll kind of check that out. Hopefully, I don't know, with this many hours we'd have any carbon brush issues, or something may have got wrapped around the drive motor, but I'll take a better look at that. In conclusion, I didn't see that alarm code come up. Like I said, I'm going to research that. One of the things that we need to make sure that they're doing is using the right amount of dilution for the solvent, because it will cake up in the filter. The filter I had to take out and clean out. Hardly any water was coming out. Also, the blades, the squeegee needs to be cleaned and checked probably every 20-30 minutes, just because it's all dependent on the dust mopping. Other than that, I just have to replace this drain hose, and it's just a matter of keeping everything clean on the inside. So foam could be an indicator of too much solution, but the one thing I want to make sure that they know about is this sensor. The sensor needs to be cleaned. This is the tank full sensor, and if it can't work its way up, we're going to have an issue where there's going to be water coming out back through the vacuum motor down onto the floor.